Everyone, Matt Boldy here. I just wanted to give a quick rundown on what our web page content consisted of. This website, what I've done is I've disabled a lot of the images. I've really just focused on just showing you guys what proper web page content and on page. Now, again, this depends on your website. This depends on your client or what you're allowed and what you're not allowed to put on a particular page, but proper local approach first content should look something like this. This is a plumber. This particular content is obviously associated with the category in the GMB. As you can see here, we have plumber. We have some of the terms DC's top rated plumbing company. So it associates some top rated plumbing company. So we have some other terms. We have some plural forms. Now, what I'm going to do is show you guys how our local approach content writing for web purposes is a little bit different. A lot of people are just going to, write a paragraph, put some headers in. Now, this is a header 2. This is a header 3, all of it. See, a lot of people don't realize that your header 3 directly associates your header 2. So take a look at this here: best plumber, top rated plumber, affordable plumber, commercial plumber, and so on. So what we've done is we've directly associated our category that relates in Google. So if I'm in my GMB section and I bring up the info and I'm looking in there, I'm going to see that my category is plumber. So I take that local approach first to directly associate my category that I have associated in my GMB, and then I write, based on my keywords I'm going to rank for, um, what I am and am not allowed to put per client. Obviously, sometimes there are clients that are not going to allow you to do this. This particular client, they don't really care. This is more of a almost like a rank and rent site just for SEO purposes. So this is exactly why this is set up this way. After that, I have some more content. It's specifically set up for SEO purposes for some of the longer tail versions of keywords. But as you can see, this is one associated way. Be sure to tell us inside of that box down below in the web page content. Let us know exactly how you want it written. This is the proper way. This is a way that it's going to help you rank for additional terms. Again, going back to emergency plumber. This is how Google's going to read it. They're going to read your category. They're going to read the verbs that are associated with your noun, and so on. So if we write it like this is going to drastically help you. If you don't want it written like this and there's another way, be sure to tell us whenever you're purchasing that. But this is the particular way that we recommend. And as you can see, we really went through here with a lot of different categories for this particular website. So if this is something that you want, obviously depending on your website, these would be a lot smaller. Again, rank and rent site. This doesn't look aesthetically pleasing. I would have some images in here. I would make this so it looks better, so it's not so big. Anyways, beyond the facts that this doesn't look very aesthetically pleasing, the on-page SEO is properly set up, and this particular website, it ranks first for a lot of different terms. It's getting 800 to 1,000 calls a month. So, this is definitely something that we have done proper, and a lot of other SEOs have recommended this particular layout and format for writing purposes. So, again, let us know in that area down below, and we'll be sure to write it exactly the way you want it. If you don't specify, this is the proper way for on-page optimization for web content, and this is how we would write it. Thank you very much, and have a nice day. Bye.